Hello students, welcome to another video, and today we shall study cyclic compounds. Now cyclic compounds are of two types. One is alicyclic and the other is aromatic. One is alicyclic and the other is aromatic. Now alicyclic compounds are any type of cyclic compounds. That means it may be a triangular shaped in the sense, suppose this with 2 hydrogen here, 2 hydrogen here and 2 hydrogen here. Okay, so what shall we call it? Cyclopropane. Similarly, this is the molecular formula of C6 and H12. C6 and H12, and what shall we call it? Cyclohexane. Cyclohexane. Okay, it may be a square shaped also. Suppose it is something like this, and with 2 hydrogen with each carbon. So this is cyclobutane. What is it? Cyclobutane. So this is a common cyclic compound which we also called alicyclic. Now next, moving to aromatic compounds. Now what are aromatic compounds? They are also called benzenoids. What are they called? Benzenoids. Okay. Now what is a benzenoid? Benzenoids are those compounds which have a benzene-like structure. Now what is a benzene? Benzene's molecular formula is C6H6. Okay. So there are 6 carbon and 6 hydrogen in the form of a hexagonal shape, with each carbon attached to the other carbon with one double bond and the other single bond. You see, alternately. Look at this carbon. It has a double bond on this side and a single bond on this side. Now look at this carbon. It has a double bond here and a single bond here. Similarly, you can see this carbon with a single bond here and double bond here. So all the 6 carbons are alternately connected with a single and a double bond. So this is the formula of a benzene, C6H6, and this is the structure. We also draw this structure in the bond line diagram as this. Simply this. This represents a benzene. Okay. So all those structures which form a benzenoid structure are called aromatic compounds. All those compounds which have a benzenoid structure are called aromatic compounds. Okay. Now moving further, we shall study today aromatic hydrocarbons. Aromatic hydrocarbons. Now when I say hydrocarbons, what do I mean? Remember, previously also we had studied hydrocarbons in aliphatic compounds. And what is a hydrocarbon? A hydrocarbon is a compound which is made up of only carbon and hydrogen. So the first structure, the simplest aromatic hydrocarbon, is a benzene. Yes. Now moving on to this. What is this? A benzene ring with a CH3. That means if I write the molecular formula of this compound, it will be C6H5CH3. Okay. And this compound is called toluene. T-O-U-L-E-N-E. Toluene. Okay. Now next, moving on to this. What will be the molecular formula of this structure? It will be C6H4 and CH3 whole twice. See, these are the 6 carbon atoms. Here are the 4 hydrogen, and the rest 2 are covered with 2 methyl groups. This is C6H4 CH3 whole twice. And this structure is called xylene. X-Y-L-E-N-E. Xylene. Okay. Now, here you see, I have drawn the xylene in 3 different forms. The same, 2 CH3 and the rest C and H. That is, all these 3 have the same molecular formula, C6H4CH3 whole twice. Yes, but this xylene is called orthoxylene, O xylene. Okay. This is called metaxylene, that is M xylene. And this is called paraxylene, which is P xylene. Now, what do I mean by ortho, meta and para? Remember one thing, ortho, meta, para, these are all common names or trivial names. These are not IUPAC names. Remember one thing, these are not IUPAC names. The IUPAC name of this compound is 1,2 dimethylbenzene. This is 1,3 dimethylbenzene, and this is 1,4 dimethylbenzene. Meaning, if I consider this as carbon number 1, this as 2, this as 3, and this as 4. So 1,4 dimethylbenzene. Here 1, 2, 3. So 1,3 dimethylbenzene. And here this is 1 and this is 2. So 1,2 dimethylbenzene. Okay. But in the trivial form or common name form, these are called xylene, and these positions are represented as 1 and 2 position. That means the two adjacent carbons, if they are so, then it is called ortho. Okay. Then 1 and 3 position, either on this side or on the other side, it is called meta. And if it is 1 and 4 position, that is 180 degree difference of the two, then it is called